Alright, so what we're going to do here, in this hole here, we're going to have to push it in and wiggle and turn the ignition cylinder out. It'll come out, the whole thing. So we're going to go to the old one. Show you what that looks like. This is actually going to be underneath. This is the way it looks underneath it. So this is the bottom of the steering wheel. This key is actually on the right side here. So where that cover should be, this is where you're going to press this little release here. When you press that down, you're going to wiggle the key, and it should pop out, the whole thing. So if we're looking at it like this, you're going to want to turn the key forward while you press the button. So push it back. Push this in, push it forward. This is forward. There you go. So we're gonna do the same exact thing to the one we just replaced. So let's go ahead and see if we can get a shot of that. If not, you'll probably see me already install it because I can't hold the phone at the same time.